Do I really have free will? Or is it all just an illusion? It's one of the oldest questions in philosophy, but now, quantum physics is giving it a fresh twist, one that might just blow your mind. Let's rewind a bit. In quantum physics, there's this interesting phenomenon called entanglement. Imagine two particles, light years apart, somehow coordinating their behavior instantly. It's as if the universe is playing a cosmic version of Simon Says. This left physicists scratching their heads. Are these particles deciding freely, or is something hidden pulling the strings? Back in 1964, physicist John Bell did something incredible. He invented a way to test whether the universe is truly random or secretly deterministic, using what's now known as Bell's inequality. If his maths held up, it would mean that what happens to one particle isn't totally independent of what happens to the other. The results were shocking. Quantum particles seem to break the rules of everyday cause and effect. Now, here's where it gets spicy. A new group of researchers, Antonio Cabello, Ravishankar Ramanathan, and Carlos Vieira, are looking even deeper into Bell's assumptions. They're asking, what if people in these experiments, usually called Alice and Bob, didn't actually have full free will when choosing how to measure these particles? Maybe their choices are nudged by hidden laws we just can't see. This idea is called relaxing measurement independence. It's a fancy way of saying, what if the universe already knew what Alice and Bob would pick? If so, then maybe those spooky quantum connections aren't so mysterious, just hidden determinism at work. To put this theory to the test, the team has developed new equations, kind of like Bell's, but designed to spot if there's only free will in these experiments. Imagine not being fully in the driver's seat of your own choices. If they find evidence for this, it could completely change how we think about quantum entanglement and what it means to be free. The philosophical fallout? Nicolas Gisin from Geneva thinks it might finally settle the debate about quantum weirdness. Antonio Cabello even suggests that it could shake up religious beliefs. If everything is determined, what happens to ideas like destiny or moral responsibility? And Tim Palmer from Oxford, he reckons this could be a win for superdeterminism, the idea that the universe is a clockwork mechanism, running on hidden cogs and gears. And here's the kicker. This isn't just about mind games. Quantum computing, the future of tech, could benefit too, since these ideas might help us build better machines that rely on quantum rules. So, do you really choose what you have for breakfast? Or did the universe decide for you eons ago? Quantum physics might not have all the answers yet, but one thing's for sure. The more we learn, the stranger and more fascinating free will becomes. Written by Karmela Padavic-Callaghan, inspired by cutting-edge research and New Scientist. Thanks for watching.